guys, didn't expect to make this video, but my friend is back in the hospital. She had a couple complications and they're getting her taken care of, but because of COVID rules, I'm not allowed to go in and see her, and that really frustrates me. But I am going to stay long enough to help her get back into her apartment and back to normal life. But because I can't go see her, I'm going to go on a little day trip today into the hill country around Texas, because it is absolutely stunning in Austin in the winter. I mean, beautiful. Just, I love it. So since I can't be of any help to her today, I'm going to run out on this little day trip and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Enjoy. But first, Stromboli. Doesn't that look good? Alright, I'm gonna take you out here and let you see the olive trees. Cal, you need to reconsider. Austin's pretty cool. Seems like miles of olive trees. Hey guys, I made it here to Driftwood, Texas. The old Texaco station, the gas pump, all pretty cool. Next stop, I'll see you in Wimberley. Hey guys, I now find myself in Wimberley, Texas. There's a bunch of little stores, antique shops, yet another gas pump. That's pretty fun. So Austin likes to say, keep Austin weird. Well, Wimberley on the other hand, keep Wimberley wonderful. These cool rain chains. It's awesome. Pretty tree too. Hey look, antiques. Let's go over there. It's another boot. Exactly. And another boot. Should I get Kelly a different hat? That's the question, right? Must be pretty deep. The rope swing out there. There's a carved tree, totem, something down there. Bunch of people out picnicking. Comes an old truck on the back of an old truck. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can at least get down here enough to get the tree. at Canyon Lake and the Guadalupe River, which I think is just right over there.
In 200 feet, turn right onto Farm to Market Road 306. Take the next right onto Farm to Market Road 306. Continue on Farm to Market Road 306 for 3/4 of a mile.
There's Guadalupe River. Apparently you can get inner tubes and float the river. This is pretty cool. So I don't know if you can see it, but I made it out here just in time for sunset. It was absolutely beautiful. Canyon Lake, near Austin. Do it. I don't know what these trees are, but they're really cool. They have all kinds of fun, random branches. Okay guys, that's the end of my hill country road trip. Now I'm going to take you downtown Austin. See you in a few.